Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the forexbsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look again on the gold market. So you can see this here we have the same driving factors in the euro currency today. This is some progress in the negotiations between the United States and China, at least how it represented in the news. So everybody talked that countries stands on the eve of the signing of the first phase of the let's call it anti-tariffs agreement, and China trying to get more relief on this subject and push the United States to cancel some more tariffs that were imposed earlier. But anyway, everything stands in a positive mood, and that has triggered the demand for more risky assets yesterday. So conversely, so in turn, the safe haven assets, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, and gold as well, has dropped. So although yesterday we have discussed and expected some drop on the market, decreasing, but of course we are talking about shy target, and we have suggested that market should show retracement somewhere, stop somewhere inside of this recent swing, because we actually yesterday talked about the possible butterfly. But when the market has come to our targets, 618 support on the follow time frame chart, COP target, it has left no chances to bulls because passed through this target as it now exists, forming no actual reaction, and as a result we've got price below the recent lows. It means that here market has formed a bearish reversal swing. So the challenge that has been taken by the market with breaking 1520 area again, or better to say, was no challenge because market actually hasn't reached this level, has failed, and overall price performance here in the medium and the short-term perspective will be bearish. So that's not the type of action that we suggest in the market, which is challenging the preparing for a breakout and intending to show some upward continuation. Unfortunately, we haven't got any breakout of the 1520. As we said, this will be a crucial moment for gold market, but market has failed to do this. So actually, it's no reason to upset, because we, on the daily chart, we talked that it's not point for position taking on the daily chart. So we need some either the breakout of this level or some pullback here. But in the shorter term perspective, as you can see, this collapse stands absolutely in opposite position to normal behavior of the bullish market. Even short-term trend line here also has been broken. Market returning back down below this line. So in fact here we could get a kind of the bullish trap. So fail or breakout of the flag and market returns are back down here, which means that in the short-term perspective we could get deeper continuation. So unfortunately, but currently the attempt of the bullish breakout currently probably has failed. So on the follow time frame chart, take a look what we have. Actually, we have the same ABCD pattern that we discussed yesterday. So we mentioned this divergence, if you remember, and that was actually the background for our expectation of the deeper action, some deeper retracement. And as in the beginning of the recent session, the price action was really choppy, showing no signs on thrust down. Now we have the clear signs of the thrusting down. Market has exceeded our COP target, and actually it already stands at the OP. Taking into consideration this acceleration on the city leg, so actually everything is mostly similar to the euro that we talked about today. It makes us think that market could proceed lower, right to the XLP target, which is a 1456. Speaking shortly, market could return right back down to the previous lows. It has been formed here. That will be the first stage of the downward continuation, and after that we will see what step could be next. So currently we are watching for probably downward action on the gold market as well. Still on the hourly chart you can see market stands in the OP. Take a look, that was the COP target that we have discussed. Only minor pullback here has happened. So market collapsed lower. So currently, this market stands at the OP target. We could get some pullback. It's the same as in the euro. So maybe some kind of the ABC retracement will be formed. Gartley chip also sell, something of that sort. But that will be just a pullback. So we do not think that that the situation will change drastically. The market will turn to the immediate upward continuation. Hardly this will happen. Probably this will be some respect of the OP, minor pullback, somewhere to the 1490 area, 1495. So here's some fib level stands that you can see. And then chance on the downward action looks really significant.